Liam clothes, the sink, the shower gel and hand soap.
Oh damn. Look at that sexy
Clean,
motherfucker.
good as new. Look at that. Saving money.
Yo, smell it, smell it.
Smell it again.
Actually, it smells like suave men.
Oh.
Smell it again.
I don't wanna.
You have to.
Alright.
Do it for the
Now
video.
put it on.
No.
No.
Oh, I gotta get all this soap out.
You're wasting so much fresh water.
Hey. My undies need to be clean.
Come on. Save some for the fish.
The fish can suck my dick. Does this go on Facebook?
Yeah,
It is.
I think so.
Smell it.
Why? Alright, one down,
I don't have
like
any
15
waters,
pairs to go.
Guys, one pair of underwear down.
Smell them.
Damn it!
Oh! Fuck!
I'll flap with my underwear. Dude, it's clean water. Oh, there's some soap on here.
There's Liam's pile of dirty laundry.
Pretty dirty.
Ready to be clean.
No! Those tweezers away from my nipple.
The only reason he's doing this is because he's broke and can't afford the washing machine.
You should use the toilet instead. Just flush it down the
Use the
toilet.
frickin' toilet. Yeah.
No, put soap in the toilet and just keep flushing it.
Salt water.
Damn it. No, okay, that's some ambient lighting.
You really just gotta get in there and just knead it.
Yeah?
It's like bread, alright?
Wait, you gotta sing like what's that thing where you sing like bake me a cake?
So much memory right now.
I know. Alright, fuck this.
Baker,